Caleb Scherer. I go to Coldwater High School.
Nolan Eckstein, and I'm from Marion Local High School.
I'm Caden Obringer, and I go to Coldwater High School.
Jake Sweeterman, St. Henry High School.
My name is Drake Lange. I go to Salina High School.
My name is Logan Childs. I'm from St. Mary's. I go to St. Mary's Memorial High School.
My name is Kevin Harder, and I go to Salina High School.
My name is Zach Myers, and I'm from St. Mary's High School.
My name is Derek Greasup, and I go to Marion Local.
My name is Trent Westgardis. I go to Coldwater High School.
My name is Brady Hamilton, and I go to Coldwater High School.
My name is Gavin Kuhn. I'm from Coldwater.
I'm Drew Heitkamp. I go to 4 Recovery local schools.
My name is Nathaniel Karras, and I go to St. Mary's Memorial High School.
This year at TRISTAR, enjoyed working on the shower tile.
This year I learned how to do drywall and siding and soffit, which is pretty entertaining.
Probably they're going to be doing the electrical work, going through all the rafters and stuff in the ceiling, or probably the drywall, just because everybody comes out looking like a snowman.
Probably putting up the interior walls, framing them up, and putting them up.
This year I learned how to put the interior walls together and put up the soffit and siding.
This year I learned how to put fascia up on the peaks of the house.
Just starting from scratch, basically. Starting the house from scratch and then here how it is now.
I learned a lot this year at the construction house, and it's going to help me in the future with me planning on going into HVAC.
I really enjoyed climbing around on the trusses and installing them using the crane. This year I learned more about putting the siding up and the soffit.
I've learned a lot the last 2 years at TRISTAR, but I'd say the main thing I learned was a lot about electrical that I never knew.
It's a cool experience. You get to learn a little bit about everything that it takes to build a house.
I really enjoy just working outside, you know, getting to know the classmates that I have class with, and you know, doing something good for the community.
I would say to do TRISTAR, it's a good thing to get good work experience and just be around different fields.
I recommend taking it. It was pretty fun, and I feel like I learned a lot in 2 years.
It's fun, you get to learn a lot, and it helps you for the future.
The skills that you learn here will always last a lifetime, especially if you go into getting a job in the field that you work in TRISTAR.
I think it'd be good for them to join the class because it'll give them a lot of life skills that they might need in the future, and they'll learn a lot of stuff, just little things that they can do on their own in the future to help them save a lot of money.
I say I'm a TRISTAR student. They might be more inclined to hire me because I'm in a trade school for that.
It's a good thing to get into, and it's always good skills to have and learn.
By doing TRISTAR, you learn a lot of new connections, and you know, you get to build a house, and most people can't say they've done that unless they're going in the construction field. And you know, doing it with your classmates is even something a lot cooler.
Well, we're almost finished with the house, and it's come along great. It was a fun year. The kids did a great job, and it's another house, and we're excited to see what it goes for.
Something good about Mr. McGilvery is he's pretty easy to get along with if you're doing what you need to do.
I would say he's pretty funny. He's got some jokes.
He's a great instructor.
Mr. McGilvery, he's a pretty good guy. He puts up with all of our crap. There's about 20 of us, and it's pretty hard to keep an eye on all of us, and he does pretty good at that.
I like all the nicknames that we have for Gil. They're all kind of fun. You know, we got like Gil, Gilly Willy is another good one.
Depending on who you're talking to and who you're around, he knows how to give some good trash talk.
Just want to say thanks to Mr. McGilvery for coming out here every day and teaching us.
I want to thank Mr. McGilvery for putting up with us and teaching us things around the construction field.
I just want to thank all my students this year. They worked hard and they did such a good job. And we have the sale coming up in June, and there'll be some open houses in May.
Come check out the house. It's a great house. It's in a great spot with a great community. Come out and check it out.
He's a guy, you know.
I
I got things.
Wait, what's the question? What do I like about Gil?